Hey guys, welcome to the review of A4Tech bloody G300 gaming headset. So in this video I'm going to talk about the plus and minus point of this headset and either you should buy it or not. By the way, I would like to wish you guys a very happy new year. I hope new year brings good luck to everyone. So without wasting any more time, let's just get right into the main part of the video. By the way, this headset is kind of old. There are more models that have come after this one, but this one is still available on the market, and in my country it costs somewhere around $20 to $25. So let's just get right into it. First of all, let's go through the box. On the top side of the box there's nothing much, just the model, and then on the left side of the box there are some features, and you can pause the video if you want to read this, but I'm just going to skip it because it is written on the back as well. Now first of all, on the back side here it is written dual beam alloy. It is basically this thing over here, and it has a 50mm driver unit, super soft cushions, 3.5mm headphone jack, and noise cancellation microphone, dual chamber design, and a self adjustable band. I'll describe that later. And on the right side we have some specifications. Here it says sensitivity 100 decibel, and then some more stuff. And here is a QR code that takes you to the website of this headphone. Now let's get inside the box. Inside the box there is nothing but the headset, but I would have really liked if they had included an adapter for phone so that I could play with my phone. So the design of the headset here is pretty nice, and the color of the headset is red and black. The cable quality is pretty good, and the cable here is totally plastic coated, I would say. And on the connector side there are 3 connectors, one for the headphone, one for the microphone, and the USB here is for the LED lights actually. And the 3.5mm jacks here are actually gold plated, and the splitter here is pretty well built and it doesn't seem like it is gonna break anytime soon. And the plastic coated layer was also pretty good, and here is some more branding. Now let's come to the headset. The headset is totally flexible and it is a good thing, and the self-adjusting band here actually adjusts automatically. Like when you wear it, it adjusts to your head and you don't have to do anything. And these alloys here are not made out of aluminum, these are totally rubber coated. There is a aluminum inside, but the outside is made out of rubber, and there is 2, so it makes dual alloy. And here are some designs on the both sides, and there is a volume knob right here. The microphone here cannot be bended or anything, it is totally solid, and the microphone hole is super small, but it is pretty good actually. The ear cushions here are pretty soft and super comfortable. As I've said earlier, it is totally flexible, so it adjusts to your head pretty easily. And there is also left and right indicator right here, which is pretty important for gaming. Now let's come to the main section of the video, which is the sound quality. The sound quality of the headset is pretty average, and the music quality is pretty good. The vocals are pretty okay, the bass is pretty nice. So it's kind of average, I would say, not super high quality, but pretty good to be honest. And as it is a gaming headset, the main focus of the headset here is actually on the surround sound. I tried it on different games, and the gaming experience with this thing was actually pretty good. I usually play many online games like Fortnite, CSGO, PUBG, and I tried using the headset with all of them, and the surround sound there is actually pretty good. It actually helps a lot to capture the footsteps properly. And so in my opinion, my gaming experience or the gaming sound quality of this thing is pretty good, and for the price you're paying, I think you're getting a pretty decent sound quality. Now let's talk about the microphone. The microphone quality of this thing is pretty good, and in terms of gaming, you won't be the guy who has the annoying mic. The mic is pretty clear, and here is the microphone test. Hey guys, this is the microphone test of bloody G300, and I am talking directly to the microphone, and this is totally without any kind of editing. So guys, let me know what you guys think of the microphone. Now let's come to the conclusion whether you should buy it or not. For the price you are paying, I think the sound quality is pretty decent, but there are some virtual 7.1 gaming headsets in this price as well. But if you are a music lover, I would suggest you to keep away from gaming headsets because those things are totally based on the surround sound, not the music experience or good sound quality. In terms of gaming, I think this thing is actually pretty good, but if you want to go for a virtual 7.1, then there's some other options at this price range as well. You can obviously consider those ones, but this one is actually a pretty decent option. There's a successor of this one as well, which is the G310 maybe, and you can also go for that because that has some more RGB effects. So guys, this is it for today, and I'll catch you up in the next video.